This 2020 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton East 26 RKS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, external shower, refrigerator, microwave, auxiliary battery, slide-out, DVD player, spare tire kit, LP detector, smoke detector, TV, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton East 26 RKS is 6,626 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.